Are you someone who's really struggling with the stresses and challenges and traumas of life at the moment? Or maybe you're experiencing a range of psychological difficulties, for example, anxiety, depression, eating disorders, obsessions, PTSD, or maybe you have neurodiverse issues as well. Are you someone who's really struggling to access good therapeutic support to help you with the difficulties you're experiencing? My name is Dr. Alexandra Dent, and I'm a registered and chartered clinical psychologist practicing in the UK, and I'm also an EMDR consultant. I've been working with people from a whole range of different backgrounds, different ages, and different issues for over 23 years. I've also got my own personal experiences and challenges and traumas that I've had to go through as well, and I have a daughter who is neurodiverse and has very complex issues. So I have a lot of clinical and personal experience. I'm really passionate that everyone should have access to affordable, good therapeutic support to help them in life, to learn the resources and coping strategies that they need. These are resources and strategies that I practice every single day in my life, and at times can be an absolute lifesaver. With this in mind, I've developed a set of 3 online workshops to help people to learn all of these strategies. The first one is psychoeducation, and it helps people to understand what happens from the basic neuroanatomy perspective in the brain when we're under trauma or stress. I then go on to explain about the negative thought cycle and the relationship between how we think, our physical sensations, our emotions and our behaviour, and I teach ways to break out of that cycle. The second workshop is a really in-depth workshop on mindfulness. It teaches you everything you need to know to get ready on a mindful journey. I break mindfulness down into an informal and a formal aspect of mindfulness. So the informal bit is learning to connect with what you can see, hear, smell, feel, touch in the moment. And the formal aspect is learning more meditation techniques, if that resonates with you. Lastly, my final workshop is how to live a heart-led and authentic life, and helps you to understand the challenges and traumas that you've been through and how you can learn to connect more into your heart and live a more authentic life than one that's very ego-based.